diclofenac sodium versus diclofenac potassium. Wallahi, this is the last time I'm saying it. If I hear anything contrary to this, I'll just leave you. They go. If like, okay, let me leave that one. Now, somebody came to the pharmacy and the person was arguing with me that diclofenac 100 milligram SR does not cause ulcer. I was like, okay, sir, you want it, ba? Yes. I just took the drug and gave it to him. You will not stress yourself. All right. Now, I've heard this thing a lot of time. Even in my group, I was so disappointed when I heard this kind of question because I've addressed this thing like 50 million times on my TikTok channel. Right? Diclofenac sodium versus diclofenac potassium. Which one causes ulcer? Both. Let me write it with red so that you will know. Both of them causes ulcer. So which of them causes hypertension? Both. Did you hear me? Which of them causes kidney failure? Both. What then is now the difference between potassium and sodium? Very simple. This sodium you see here and this potassium you see in this diclofenac, they are salts. What they change is the pharmacokinetics, not the pharmacodynamics. Do you understand? Pharmacokinetics talks about the absorption, the distribution, the metabolism, and the excretion of a medication. So this potassium is absorbed faster, you see, is excreted faster, is distributed faster. So if you want quick release from the pain you are suffering, potassium is your guy. It's just the salt of diclofenac. What causes the ulcer, the hypertension, and the kidney failure is the diclofenac itself, which is the active ingredient, the active moiety of the drug. So as long as there is diclofenac there, it can cause ulcer because it blocks COX-1 and COX-2. Do you understand? Enzyme. Do you get it? So if you want a long-lasting effect, a long-lasting pain effect, you use diclofenac sodium. That is the only difference between these two. Is based on which one starts working fast, which one has a faster onset of action, faster distribution. If you want fast action, you use this one. If you want a longer action, you use this one. What causes the ulcer and the hypertension in diclofenac? It is the diclofenac itself. I'm tired of saying this thing. It is the diclofenac. As long as there is diclofenac there, then it has the tendency to cause an ulcer, especially if you take it for up to a month. Do you understand? Because it can cause a lot of things. Remember, it inhibits the production of prostaglandins. Do you get it? And prostaglandin is very important in the defensive mechanism for peptic ulcer against that acidity that is pouring in your parietal cells. Do you understand? This is the last time I'll address this. I address my case.